how to fix stick drift on your PS4 controller. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different movements and steps we can take that'll hopefully help you fix any stick drift you have on your PS4 controller without any tools. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we're just going to do some quick movements with the sticks that'll hopefully break up any dirt that's gotten in there. So what you want to do is first push the sticks to the edge and then just rotate them. And I like to do this for about a minute and just keep rotating it because we're trying to break up that dirt. And what you can do is switch directions. So try switching directions and just keep doing this to try to break up any dirt that's in there. Once you've done that, you can also try pushing down and then rotating and switching directions as well. Additionally, some other things you can do are blowing into the little grooves around your sticks to try to break up or move any dirt. And if you have a cleaning duster like this, compressed air, you can try to follow directions on the can and then carefully blow it in there to try to move any dirt. Additionally, you can try picking up the sticks, and that may allow more air to get under the stick and move the dirt. Some other movements you can try are going to be up and down or left and right, just different things to try to break up any of the dirt that's in there. So hopefully after those steps, you have fixed any stick drift issues on your PS4 controller without having to take it apart or use any tools. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.